All right, Teresa, thanks. 7:33 now. This is what Teresa just mentioned. This crash in New Haven shut down a street there. There are some people who are hurt.
News 8's Kent Pierce is on the scene with the details. Ken, how's the process going there, trying to rescue that woman from her car?
Anna, Chris, some very good news. They were able to get that woman out of the car. The car is back there. You can see the activity has calmed down from where it was a half an hour ago. This was swarmed with New Haven firefighters working diligently. They took them about a half an hour to get the woman extricated from that vehicle, but they did. They had to undo the seats, basically, and pull her out the back because she was trapped, pinned in there. This car got T-boned on its right side by a pickup truck here at the corner of Chapel and State Streets. The car then ended up crashing through this bus shelter, and you can see the process where we are right now is that the Public Works Department is out here trying to clean up the mess, so hopefully they get Chapel Street back open. So they're working on that bus shelter. The folks in the building that the car crashed into, this is 360 State, the big new building here at the corner of State and Elm, and on the ground floor is the Elm City Market that just opened up about a month ago. Folks inside were telling me the whole building shook when that SUV plowed into the side of the building, severely damaging a door in there. As for injuries, there were 3 people hurt, the fire department tells me, 2 in this vehicle, both the driver and the passenger, and the driver of the pickup truck that T-boned this car. Again, we don't know whose fault it was. We don't know exactly what happened here because the police are still investigating this, but a total of 3 injuries, 2 relatively minor. Then there was the woman who had to be extricated from this vehicle. They're all on their way to hospitals to seek proper medical attention right now. Now the cleanup begins because they want to try to get Chapel Street open as soon as possible. We're live in New Haven. I'm Kent Pierce, News 8.